What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome to today's video. We are on my way to work, actually, but I'm driving the MIATA today due to that I gotta take it to a place called Rocket Garage, get the alignment done, because my alignment's still bad from the back from when I crashed. Funny thing is, I actually crashed down the street from here, spun out, freaking hit a curb, and yeah, so that was a long time ago. But yeah, we're on our way to work. I gotta go to work today. I'll probably carry the camera with me just in case I see some cool stuff. But yeah, stay tuned, and yep, let's get this day going. Alright, fam, so I know earlier I said that I was gonna be I was gonna be taking my car to get an alignment, but change of plans. I ended up getting out of work really late. The shop closes at 6 and it's 5:56, so I won't be able to make it. I'm gonna have to push that probably till Monday. So today's video is gonna be something else. It's not gonna be about my car. It's probably gonna be a short video, but I did promise 2 videos a week. Probably more in the future. Just I'm trying to push it to 2 because I work a lot, so I'm trying to push out 2 videos a week. So today's video, I want to explain that I take forever on editing. That's like one of the things that slows me down a lot. I probably, edit a 30 to 40 minute video in like 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, and that's because my laptop is really slow. It takes forever to render. Like literally I'll upload it and then hit the render button so I can start editing, and that takes, I want to say, like at least 2 hours to 3 hours. And it takes me not that much to edit, but while I'm editing, like let's say I want to add some effects to a cinematic video, or I want to add a title or a little arrow right here or something simple. So when I want to like edit something small like that, it ends up freezing. Then it resets the whole program, and after it resets the program, like it goes back like 3-4 edit little sections that I already had done. So I mean, it backs me up some more, and then I have to remember what I was doing and try to go from there. But that's what sucks. Like this laptop that I have, I bought it like 5 years ago. It's a HP Envy something. When I bought it, it was good, but I never thought that I was gonna be editing videos. So right now it's good. It's a good laptop, but not for video editing. Like I could do Photoshop on there, no problem. I could do anything else on there. Watch YouTube videos, no problem. But the only thing is I cannot video edit, and it sucks at it. And I tried moving the program, different files, different downloads, but nothing works. So the one thing that I am doing is I'm building a PC. Today actually actually majority of my parts are here. So let's see. Okay, so my CPU is here, my SSD, my DDR, my RAM, my power supply, some extension cables, my graphics card. The only thing that's taking forever is this motherboard. The only reason the motherboard's taking forever to get here is I guess there's been a shortage on like motherboards and all kinds of computer parts. I'm not really into this. Like this is my first time building a computer, so this is the one that I purchased. It's the Gigabyte X570 RS Elite Wi-Fi. So that's the motherboard I went with. The only reason I went with this one, well, one of the reasons was it was not even in stock. It says it'll be in stock June 16th, so I won't probably get that till June 16th because I have the first day shipping or 1 day shipping. Other motherboards, I'm not trying to go too expensive. Other motherboards are like $900, $800, $700, and I'm not really looking to that. So I did go with the budget build. Technically, not really a budget. It was probably like $1,000 or 1,000, like maybe 1,200, somewhere around there. Didn't really count it. But every other part is already home, so we're gonna do an unboxing of what I chose with, and I'll tell you guys what I went with. And let's get to that. I gotta head home already. Also, my wife got a flat, so I gotta help her do that real quick, fix that. So let's get this video going, and sorry for the change of details and change of video, but it is what it is. I have to work to make money to keep making content, so let's get to it. All right, we are home now. Time to get this going. All right, so before I get to the unboxing, I gotta fix this flat. Supposedly, I don't know what tire. Oh, there it is. There we go. I gotta fix that real quick. And update on the front lip. I broke the lip when I went to the Origin car meet, so you know, had to put that together with zip ties. It's alright, my bumper's holding up with zip ties. So yeah, that's another bad thing that happened. But soon enough, I'm gonna be having a body kit. Just not quite sure which one yet. Won't bring that really up because it's not time for that yet. We still gotta hit the track before I buy a body kit. So yeah, let me go ahead and fix that tire real quick, and we'll get to the unboxing for the PC parts. All right, real quick, for all you that ever question how to do this, it's simple. First, you grab the tool that they give you, you pull out the nail, you shove that one in, you pull it back and forth till you clear it. Add this at the end, add some glue, pull that one out, jam this one in, and twist it out till it comes out without grabbing this. All right, so I already went and jammed it in there, so all you gotta do now is just twist, twist and pull out, twist and pull out. Trust me, it works just like that. And then with all this extra, oh, it's the wrong side, just clip it. Oh, it's all sticky because of the glue right here, and we're done. And that's how you fix a flat, or a hole. You can't just say a flat because you can have a big hole on the side. All right, now to the unboxing. All right, fam, so I already went ahead and opened one box, but I haven't pulled anything out. The only reason I opened it is just so I won't show my little address. So, you know, first we get rid of all this. And we got ourselves a Ryzen 7. I ordered the 3800, and that's what it is. Actually, I want to actually open it and see what's in here. See, I see a lot of unboxings, but they always take the chip out. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. Everything will be going back in the boxes. So looks like we got our CPU cooler. I guess this one's like RGB as well. It's the AMD one. Can't really throw specs out because I don't know too much about them. So yup, this is one thing I needed. I was actually gonna buy a cooler, and me not knowing that Ryzen gives you one. And this is my CPU itself, so it comes with all the little stuff inside that you'll be needing. All right, so now these are my, okay, this is my SSD, 1 terabyte. Let's see, let's open this up. Damn, like they throw pretty good seals on here. All right, so this is one of my, let's see. This one's pretty simple. It's really small, but it's 1 terabyte. That's what I'm going with. It's pretty nice. So let's go on to the next one. Let's see what else we got. And we have, where is my RAM? Didn't my RAM come in here? Oh, did I lose my RAM already? Oh, it's over here. So my RAM, I went with the Venegance RGB Pro. This is a 216 gigabytes, so it's 32 total, and can't wait to put these on. Actually waited a little bit to get the RGB going. Let's go on to the next box. Alright, so these are the extensions for my fans, and this is my, oh, look at this, smacked from one corner. Horrible. That's one thing I don't want to be looking at, especially when you spend a grip of money on building a computer. I mean, 1,000 something is a lot of money for me. I don't know about you guys, but alright. So it comes to, well, I guess it wouldn't really matter because it has nice little bubble packaging. Comes with zip ties and bolts, little screws. We have power supply cables, more power supply cables, and what are these? For every child, a fair chance. United States Fund for whatever, UNICEF. And then we got this little, what is this? Quick inspection tool. Okay. That's it. Little card, I guess. Like owner's manual or whatever it comes with. And it's in here. I'm actually not gonna open it fully. Well, let's try. Yeah, oh, never mind. So this is what I bought. It's 600 watts RGB as well. Hoping everything on this comes out pretty great. I'm interested to find out what this does. So I guess that's to power the fans on eco mode, but I've never heard of that. Like I said, I'm also new to this, so that's pretty cool. Let me pull this back up, put this back in here. Put this back in here. Alright, so there's our power supply. Okay, so this is the box that came with extra stuff that, not extra, but that I ordered that I don't need. So we are going to take out what I don't need. And the reason I'll tell you right now. So at first I was going to go with this. I was going to go with 500 gigs of Samsung little SSD. But I ended up getting a little bit more budget. So I ended up going with a 1 terabyte instead of 500 gigabytes. And then this is also 232s. I think it's G-Skill actually. But like I said, I bought the other RGB ones, and they actually come in a better packaging than this. The other ones seem to come a little bit better. This is like really thin. You know, I think they could do a little bit better on the packaging. That box over there. Alright, so for my graphics card, I ended up going with the MSI Armor, the Radeon RX 580. Like I said, it's a budget, so I don't know if you guys consider this a budget for you guys, but for me, this is what I wanted. This is what I chose with. It's the 8 gigabyte one, so this is one big yes. Alright, so this is my little mid tower that I bought. I bought the Montech Fighter 600. It was like 60 bucks on Amazon. It came with pretty good, I think 4, it has 4 fans that are RGB as well. They're right here on the front. You guys can see those. And then, you know, has a clear glass on the side. So, like I said, it's not going to be a PC thing going on. So, this is more like it's going to benefit my channel. And I'm tired of my laptop freezing, because I kid you guys not, I get the same little black screen saying, you know, nothing, and it's frozen. I can't even exit out of that, and I think that's due to RAM as well. So this is my first time that I'm gonna put a actual PC together. I made it enough to where I could actually play games that I want and I'm more about racing games than anything. If I want to hop on Call of Duty, I'll just hop on my PlayStation or my Xbox. But like I said, this PC is going towards my editing. I've been trying for a while now to save up to get this because, like I said, I want to post more videos every day, but I can't due to that. Every time I'm wasting 3 to 4 hours of my day on just lag on the computer, it's not working, or it's working slow, or it takes hours to render. And especially because I use the drone sometimes on my footage, it just really slows it down. I had to clear the crap out of my computer, like make sure nothing's downloaded, nothing else is running, so it could run perfect. Or it doesn't even run perfect, but at least I won't get the black screen on my computer, on my laptop actually. But this is towards the build. So this is going to be it for today's video. If you guys want me to do a time lapse of me putting the PC together, go ahead and drop a comment below. Let me know. I will do that. I will, like, same way I had it set up, probably a little bit better, like a little bit better so you guys can see everything. I'll go ahead and start do a big time lapse from part to part to when I open everything and put it all together, and just fast forward it at a good pace so you guys can see everything. Let me know in the comments below, and when I do start it up, I will, show you guys how everything works, or how I think it's going to work, because like I said, I'm new to this. I still got to buy Windows and other stuff, but that'll be next week. Supposedly my parts are coming next weekend, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys like this video, make sure you comment, let me know what you guys think for the next video, and subscribe. And see you guys on the next one. Peace.